This is for the 370Z, of course. This is off of Z1 Motorsports, and honestly, it came pretty quick. I ordered it last week. I ordered the black tubes with the silicone. I got a few freebies they sent me because I had to pay a bit extra. I don't know, I didn't know what a blemished intake was. And then they emailed me saying they didn't have an intake, and then it was like 30 bucks for a new one. I was like, oh, I didn't even know it was used, bro. So I'll just get that. So they ran me this. I couldn't see any red ones, so I just grabbed the blue ones. I got a dual intake, of course. These other two little bars. So there's everything we got. So they gave me I don't even know what type of air freshener that is. I've never seen this. This is Z1 air freshener.
Me and cheat girls, they cheat, we do numbers, stay fly. If skin to you, then we fast forward. Yeah, staying low like a stash house. Yeah, band all the band, all trap house. Yeah, made it with nothing, learned to swag out. Yeah, can't be defeated, I got mad sauce. Yeah, why would I front?
First thing, try to start for now. Let it. There's some suction there, buddy.
Not even a choker chain. I break hearts, I'm a problem. She still wanna stay. Shorty pressure, but I would never ride away. You nobody special. I feel all these girls the same. Talking shit be extra. I thought you knew for what you came. If you don't, then the next one still gon' make me come the same. Big slime. You the type to give away a freak, big slime. Heard your bust down, AP, big slime. She 22, turn 23, big slime. Boss that bitch up, TTG, big slime. I'm putting red diamonds on my